friends. Now I will be starting off with one more series exclusively discussing on plagiarism. Now, here in this particular first part, I'm not going to discuss what is plagiarism, what are the varieties of it, and other things associated with it. However, I would like to start off the entire playlist with the introduction to what are the various softwares which are available to us, and if there are any free tools, how to use them, and how much of it is free for us to check the plagiarism. So I would like to begin, and first of all, this question was raised by many research scholars as well as some of my students who really wanted to understand. So maybe going forward, I would like to go ahead and showcase as to what is plagiarism first of all, and what are the varieties of plagiarism that is available in the world, and so on and so forth. However, right now I'm just going to start off with I should say few parts wherein I'm just going to discuss about the various softwares and free tools that are available to us. Now, first and foremost, I have seen that there is something called as duplicate checker. Now, this is one of the topmost free tool that has been told and been published across the website, and my discussions with a few of the faculty members have told me that yes, they do recommend. Now, in schools as well as colleges and even in the university. So let's see, apart from Turnitin and the Urkun that is present and which is very popular, apart from Viper, or I should say even Grammarly, so let's go ahead and check it out, each one of them, and see where we can do it and what exactly is available to us. Now, first and foremost, I'm starting off with the duplicate checker. Now, it is a free plagiarism detection tool, and it does not have much of the fancy interfaces that we are always looking forward. However, it really gets our work done. Now, if I have to understand what are the advantages of it, first and foremost, it is said that it is free of charge, number one. Number two, it is easy to use. Number three, there are two ways to check. Now, when we say that it is free of charge, it means that we don't have to pay anything. Usually I have seen that people really play with the word free when it comes to use certain tools or softwares while checking for the plagiarism, and we will see what exactly do they mean by free once we enter into their website. So here in for duplicate checker, I have seen that we don't have to pay anything. We can be first time users, or maybe multiple times we have taken care of it. Now, here the thing is that if we are one time user and we plan to take care of our free plagiarism detection tool on a regular basis or on a daily basis, then we don't are required to pay for the subscription. So what does this mean? It means that whether we are one time user or plan, I'm reading exactly the words which is available on their website, or plan to make most of this free plagiarism detection tool on a daily basis, we are not required to pay for the subscription. Number one. Number two, it is easy to use. Okay. Number three, we have to understand that once we are presented with a very basic and functional layout that does not require for any previous experience with plagiarism detection tool. So anybody who is a first time user can enter over there, and over there in the sense to the website, they can visit the website and they can start using the layout which has been given to us. Now, the third one is that they say that there are two ways to check the plagiarism. What are they? First, duplicate checker as a tool allows us either to copy and paste our text in the field, and then it checks out the plagiarism, or what we can do it is we can upload the docs or the doc that is available, or the text file from the computer, and proceed further with the plagiarism. So that these are the two ways to check. And the third one that one needs to remember is that for the registered users. Now, what exactly do we mean by registered users? Let's go back to their website, and later on, once we visit their website, we can understand it. So they have got 50 plagiarism scans per day for the registered users. Now, if you signed up for free, duplicate checker allows us to do 50 plagiarism checks in a single day, so we are able to take care. Now, I have to check it out from the website in order to understand what exactly do they mean by registered users. So that is one thing that is always in this one. Unregistered users are doing only one scan or the plagiarism check per day. So this is something that we will have to remember, and then we need to proceed further. Now apart from this, now there are other things that are available, from the dupli checker. We need to understand that the plagiarism checker definitely is available to us, and these are falling under the category of the text analysis tool. So plagiarism we are able to understand. Paraphrasing, it's a wonderful tool for that. Grammar check, it is taking care. Word counter, sometimes we need to be very specific when we writing our essays or even giving our writings for the publication. They just mention that your article or the research paper should not exceed more than 2500 words to 3000. So it gives you the word counter. Spell check, which is there. MD5 generator, so it does take care of this one also. Change text cases, as you are keying the words on their notepad, you will see that it helps into that. It merges the words also. Image to text, this facility is also available under the dupli checker. Then translate English to English, in the sense that if we are keying in UK English and specific condition has been given that yes, you have to use the UK English, British English, then it is able to convert even those things. Now apart from these things, we have seen that there are other tools which are available under the text analysis. What is the reverse image search? It's possible. Image compression is there. Favicon generator is present. You can visit the site and you can understand. Image resizer, crop image, convert to JPG, and RGB to hexagonal. It is also one of the utilities. Then video to GIF converter. So these are some of the things that are. Now apart from all these things, these are the other benefits that we get as a plagiarism checker. Paraphrasing tool, reverse image search, backlink checker, free proxy list, XML sitemap generator, backlink generator, malware tracker, sitelink, keyword research tool, GOP IP locator, then domain authority checker, page rank checker. I mean, they are introducing even the SEO searches also, and side by side I have seen that they have quite a good number of other tools also which are absolutely free. So we need to just understand only two things on this particular side, and that is what is the difference between the registered and the unregistered user, and what exactly do they mean by registered users. If we are able to take care of these two, I think the rest of the tools, the thing that we are getting it from this particular website is absolutely fine. So I think let me go ahead with the second tool, and I'll be discussing more. In the meantime, you can check it out all by yourself with this particular tool. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.